Yeah.
That is why futhi ngimfayithela and njengoba ngilala naye la phandle mina. Yeba? Izupho yami la. Ngikhohliwe ukuthi mina ngizalwa la. Ngikhohliwe ukuthi ngine-ID because ngithi ngakhetha umfana wangaphandle.
Laba basebebone kanjani umoya laba bala eSouth Africa baseningizimu Afrika?
Umuntu ukuthi enezogqugqula endlini bashayele ezindlini.
Yeah.
Ngizogqugqula endlini azashayele ezindlini. Okay, sebebashayile ezindlini. Uthi uzofuna ntoni la? Ntoni azoyifuna la? Ngoba yikho into angafanele uyibeka apha. Ngoba phela ngithi laba abantu akabafuni bayabazona into abayifuna la into abayifuna la
asekhulumela sisiwami ukuthi njengoba wena waze njengoba usho ukuthi bahlukumeza kakhulu abantu bala besilisa mhlawumbe othandana nabo ya mhlawumbe experience yakho mhlawumbe yagcina usubona mhlawumbe ukuthi uze unakhona yes banamba ya sisiwami ya yeah sengisho ukuthi njengoba walithola uthando manje abantu baseningizimu Afrika kanje
ngizomlandela zizinja abafana balapha zizinja mina umntwana ngifaka iplastic ikipa ngisikhulula isikeba ngiqokileyo ingane ngiye ekliniki ithi khwasha iplastic utshela ngomfana la base sithatha labafana bangaphandle kubinqa uthi hayi ifutha nani uyifu intombazanela uthi nani nomfana ngaphandle kumele uhambe naye ngizohamba naye umuntu wami that is why ngilala naye phandle ngoba vele mase gqoka ukuhamba ngizohamba ngimlanda
uyabona nje wona sisi uyasibhedela uyasanganela nje uzuqhantsha imthambo uchaza inonsense ucacisa inonsense akekho umuntu othola i-citizenship noma othola amaphepha ukuthi abesezweni ngokusemthethweni ngoba nakho umithise umuntu wakulelo lizwe alikho iforeigner le South Africa elithola amaphepha ngoba limithise lazalisa wena wala eSouth Africa ukuthi relationship eninjani wena uthandwe uye kakhulu umithisiwe abantu basasa ngoba ke nalokho ukuthi nje wena ubuyamitha nje wena yabo manje usefanele sisazi indaba zakho zama choices assorted akho uzothi uthando lithole kulomuntu okufika lento ihlezi ishiwo uma umuntu wakho umthanda njengendoda hamba naye niye kubo naye mangabe kuthanda uzokusa kubo lento leni iyaziwa nje lento isidida ngani lento lena le South Africa ubani manje lozosedideka ukuthi ungaze uchaze uqhantsha umtha uma unendoda wena indoda mayikuthanda ikusakubo kuphela nje manje ke hayi aniye kulokhu nisizosihlanyela nisisanganela hayi
Hello. Here's a bit of a lesson for people who think we live in other people's countries and demand things in other people's countries that our own governments would probably not be able to give us. This is my passport. Inside my passport are multiple visas that I've held over the years of living abroad, legally. This is my social security card. It is the same thing that I use when I have to go to the hospital here. But this is not free. No, it isn't. I pay for it every month because I'm legally working and residing in this country, which means I'm a taxpayer that's contributing. And I'm a taxpayer that doesn't expect free things. So even if the Chinese people may have the same card that I do, their government would probably give them free services. But I don't go and expect free services because I know that I'm not a citizen in this country and that I'm not entitled to anything free. That it's a privilege that I'm even here. This is a health certificate. It shows all the tests that they would have done for me over the time, every single year, okay? Every single year, you take a test and they have all your details, everything about you, your weight, everything. You don't get this, you don't get this. And if you don't have this, you can't stay here. And if you can't stay here, you don't demand that the government makes you stay because your country is in turmoil. No, we don't do that. This is a certificate or a registration certificate. It's a voucher, well, they call it a voucher here, where you go and register your address at the nearest police station. You tell them where you live by giving them your lease agreement, not by word of mouth, your lease agreement that your landlord would have signed and stamped. You also bring your passport with a valid visa. Now, I understand that I need to do this every single time I move, whether I still live in the same city or I live in a different city. I still have to go and do this, because if I don't, guess what's going to happen? They're going to lock me up. Why? Because they need to know every single time where I am. I don't live in this apartment for free. I certainly don't expect it to be free. And even if it is free, I would probably still treat it with a lot of respect. Now, all of these things are a privilege to be given. They're not an obligation by any government, and certainly not the government that's housing me right now. I came here because I had a scarce skill. I didn't come here because I think that I'm better than anyone else, because they have their people. But they understood that they needed my skills, and so that's why I'm here. And that's why I've been allowed to get all of these things. Again, a privilege. But I'm sure some people are going to watch this and think it's probably AI. I'm going to burst your bubble and tell you that it's not. It's just that some of us respect the laws of the countries that we are hosted by. Unless we're told to leave. And if we are told to leave, guess what we're going to do? We're going to take this and we're going to fuck off. Because we have countries to go back to. Because we understand that it's a privilege to be here. We don't expect that we are just going to be allowed to stay just because we expect it. And just because, oh, the UN this, oh, this and that. We are not going to demand that. Not South Africans. Certainly not in this country. We understand the laws of this country, and we abide by the rules of this country. We understand that in order to be upstanding residents of this country, we have to respect the people of this country. We have to respect the citizens of this country and never speak ill of them, and never speak ill of the government that's housing us. Because again, it's a privilege to be given a visa here. It's a privilege to be given residence here. They don't need to give us anything. So the next time you think you are entitled to living in a country that's not yours, certainly illegally, think again. You're not that special. And when people fight for the rights of their country and tell you that you need to leave because you know that you're illegal, musukoloza. Why are you running? Why are you fighting? Why? You people are weird. Gosh.
Zaba yase South Africa yakuthi mabahambe sesingamane siyibuke nje ngalelinye liso lethu lelingafuni nje kuhlahlamba kahle uyabona. Mina nangibuya la eSwatini ngisebenzile South Africa for 4 companies uyabona. Ngisebenza nginama documents uyabona. So nawo uyiforeigner awuthanzi lokusebenza le ngoba kufana nekuthi usigcila. Yabo we are underpaywa uhola kubomhla ka37 wambona pho umuntu ahola mhla ka37 uyabo iyagcila yada because ufika usebenzele lenye futhi foreigner le asesibekise nje ufika usebenzele le Nigerian le uyabo iyade khakhashane uyabona taw complaina kubani kude nasimak naba laba melela tisebendu ngeke ungene phasa simak kwa wena ngoba vele undocumented yabo so kuningi nje lokwenda kungavumeleki kuba in a foreign country undocumented uyabo usukele uyamithisa le you have caused you are already abusing the unborn child nje ngoba lokhu ungekho documented uthi yena akabe documented kanjani uyabo kulamanye mave lafana nalaba bo states njengoba kwenyanywa Trump kangaka uyabo na ungawela khona uthi uyele ku vacation ufika umithise le Trump kusasekuseni usendizeni lelandzelako usendiz cause utosenyanyisa la uketeki lokutele kutobuka lwandle la se states ngiyangiva ukuteka vacation ning uyabona nakufika lokwemali because vele kudinto kufika nako kubaliwe kukuncane you are frustrated yourself uthatha lokwemali dana lokho uyahamba yokunatha usebenza lokunatha ke kudinto lotawuyenda totawenda njani so ke iyekelwe lento lena sikhathi lesithe iproblem yakona naye ngendlela leyekelwe ngayo without kufaka khathi lo mthetho la khathi lokunye ke kubangwa ngilabo sopolitiki lokuthi mabayekeyekelwe makayekeyekelwe kuhamba lesikhathi nakwente kanjalo kudala umntwana nyalo kuze kuyo complainwa after 20 years yabo South Africa unqabi eJozi uthi ubona India uthi ukhuluma isingisi a good day say I want to know where Mayville is you see want to go to Soweto uvele unjani mntangethu who's it ubaba uthe hayibo khuluma isiZulu wena kaboa kusho umuntu lobonayo ukuthi lo muntu lona is not South African so nyalo nje lokuthiwa mabahambe lapha sobona abantwana bathwele kanzima kunalo kuncane inkosi yami lo sekutelelwe lana sesimnangise siva buhlungu ukuthi inkosi yami lapha South Africa inkosi yami banenge ngabuka nje lokuncane kangaka nako inkosi yami kuyathwaliswa imithwalo kuyacabangela you see so ke inzinzaba kulamanye amava kudlalwa ye wena umonitor ungene egedeni uyabona nakuthiwa uvakashele bani kushayelwe lo bani uyabo nakashayelwa lo bani lelothi wena umvakashele wavuma nje ukuthi no vele uTekim se iyashintsha lo mthetho sobuka yena lo muntu should lo muntu lo ende ebucala la veni lethu kanti uthi wena utekuwe pasopa now uyabona so akulalwa so tsine ngala nankosi yami yebo kona nalaba labathi mabahambe ngakhanza ukuthi babatali babo kwabona bebamba ngasibo base South Africa kumbula phela abantu nabaye South Africa bebalanzwa kulamanye amave kuze bayosebenza etimayini uyabona mhlambe nje bekungenwa kubo Lesotho kungenwa kona lapha kubo Malawi kubo Zimbabwe bobani kulanzwe labantu bayosebenza le bakhelwa ke lawo ma documents bantu labafika ngaleso sikhathi yebo kona soya booster lamhla ngoba wena wakhanza mkhulu wakho asakhelwe le document wafika ke wena wasosotalwa soba yiSouth African uyabona wakhanza wena le citizenship vele seyikhomba ukuthi wena you have either dual citizen ungumtswana plus you are a South African as well uyabo so kuningi nje into leyenda kuyakufrustrate kusebenza kulenye live ude emaphepha akhona belunge emabhuna beyibone katseni lento le sineke safike lento lena hayi they are aparting us apartheid uyabona lishilo libhunu lathi lifuna kubona lipasi nelipassport alifuni libhunu uthi uwasempumalanga songenile eGauteng but awatothi utofunani la Gauteng uyabona kufuna nakulahleka into la eGauteng isuspect yekucala nginayile buye eMpumalanga isitshengisile ama documents ayo naka sicale ngayo ngoba bala Gauteng bayathi kakwetshiwa la uyashaywa umshiza maye kuyashaywana lana ngeke ukhone kwena so kumuntu wekucala ngunangilesimbuto ipasi nepassport wakuveta ngunangi waseMpumalanga anwetshweke naye Yayiva ifuna sikolo le nto funa nje sikolo le nto le nangabe kusho silobuchopho buthambile lobo uyabo ba mina bustiff funa into ifuna ingcondo ibe ubuke nawe yabo akuyekele lo noma lema nalabo somapolitika ngithi balwa nemavoti babuka ukuthi umfulu uyapi uyabo before aye kuyokhuluma speech uya rehearse kucala nangingathi akahambe lama foreign nations uyabona I'll be losing votes to people phela na ungupolitician uyashugacoat awubi nje uyabona uyabuka ukuthi yini leta kusebenzela nawe angithi wena ulwa nelivote kuphela uyabona awubuki ukuthi le nvoleni into akufake wena nawe kusasa angithi ngifana nekokuthi lo mthetho kuthiwe awungabuyi etandleni takho uyabona kuthiwe umthetho ungabuyi etandleni takho nawuthuthu udubula lo muntu lodlwengulwe umntwanakho uyabona bakuthathe bakubophe ngifisa ngathi bangadlwengula lababo
uyabona
badlwengule lo wasopolitiki lo sopolitiki lengisho ukuthi wonke sopolitiki unesibhamu ngifuna kubona ukuthi yena nga-reacta kanjani same thing applies ke ngalana now you deliver speech ungisopolitiki because wena awukhona ukuphila silokishi noma elokishini nalabani ucabanga nje ukuthi kulula nje kokuthi bantu haya bahlala uhulumende usetababonene Cyril Ramaphosa uke wenta lenye speech la wathi kude umuntu lovumeleke ukuthi atshelele omunye ambute ama documents amtshela ukuthi akahambe bantu bemthetho nebaka home affairs kuphela abantu lokufuna abanteleke kanjalo uyabo otherwise de basebenza ngekukhandla bebayosebenta nini labantu ngekukhandla phakela umthakathi nangizwe emkhono angasho ukuthi hayi madoda phela bese bayavela lapha esikundeni nje avela but ish uyathi kutheni indzaba leshow phakela umthakathi nabo bonke abantu labatheni sesiyayibona vele ine effect le negative towards kuphila kwebantu bethu ngeke ubave basho kanjani phela nje uthi we see what you can do and never see what to do
ayibo babathu bendeni
abantu labantu ukuthi bendeni kuyabolekwa nje uhulumende akanandzaba futhi kuboleka 500 billion uthi nasekabona ukuthi uquestiona kakhulu 500 billion akuhloma inhlavu so ngendlela la nganandzaba emavela afana nabo China ube le parliament bese ufika uyaganga kunesigwebo senzambo naloko emitheshwana lokushakula ama parliament ethu uthi kuvinjwe leti gwebo tenzambo bayabona kwabona ukuthi baganga
ngangena ngakibo
angithi kuganga bona kakhulu so ke nakathi lo muntu akube nesigwebo senzambo kanti nami ngiyanokha imali te agriculture
nabayoze bayivote
ngifile ngeke baze bazivote esigwebo senzamba ngoba bayaganga
ayengeke
yebo Maguzuko mavela fana bo Taiwan bo China wena ucabanga ukuthi abe developed overnight they sat down theirs is to serve the people you can't be a politician and be rich how did you do that ukwende njani lento le uthathe imali ngiyabona
umsebenzi wakho uthatha imali yahulumende
uyiwine njani umzala wakhe ithenda ngoba immediately kubonakala ukuthi ngumzala wakho lo wena you are disqualified automatically. You see? What?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are coming from for Sisilo, Tanzania, anapotwa semalawi, nomntwana anapotwa semalawi. Ulala naye la kulalwa khona le mawuleni yasho ukuthi akayithandzele into yabo ngizwe ukuthi babaqoshe yena wathola lithande eMalawi bantu base South Africa amadoda lamzansi adlala ngaye ama deadbeat father wathola bhuti waseMalawi wamnakekela nebantu bakhe uyakhala nje ukuthi vele uma hamba umuntu wakhe uhamba naye abantu abaningi bayemgcekile lo sister Betty enkundleni yokuxhumana faka phakathi nabo uphakela umthakathi they are dragging her and people are saying ukuthi awuveli uthola citizenship eSouth Africa just because so mithisile wena umuntu wase South Africa and people are saying ukuthi lo sesilona instead of just aloku abangamsindo lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana kavele ahambe nemuntu wakhe bawudlalela eMalawi because ufuna ukuthi kuhlaliswe ama-foreigners la South Africa because yena uthole lithando eMalawi. Angisho uma uthole lithando sami phela kufuna uhambe uyohlala la uthole khona lithando hayi ukuthi nihlale la South Africa. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.